How to earn money online without investment for student. Being a student is often a very important phase in a personal life. However, studying is a full-time uh, occupation, and so in student who are looking to earn a bit of money start searching for part-time job that don't affect their student. Other consent for student are how to earn money online without making a large investment or finding job that required minimal experience. And here the good news, there are actually a number of student part-time job for student where they can earn money at home. What are the best way to earn money online as a student? Sell insurance as a process. Becoming a post or point of salesperson and selling insurance can be lucrative part-time job for student. A post is an insurance agent who work with an insurance company to sell their insurance product online. What are the requirements? You must be over 18 years of age and show have completed class 10. You also need to complete a 15 horse compressor training offered by the parent. How much can you earn and can be continue the job? Yes, if you have a aptitude for selling, you can continue this later as a full-time job. Find out more about the state requirement and regulation for becoming a postal agent here. Take up freelancing. If you are someone who is good at writing, programming, editing, photography, design, or any other search skill, you can earn money online as a freelancer. You just need to register yourself as a freelancer on portal life like Upwork, Fiverr, or use a freelancer that you can start making marketing you skill to potential silent. What are the requirements? As long as you have a marketable skill, you can register on a freelancing portable. Plus this more required a small fee. How much can you earn, your income will be based on the kind of work you offer and how much work you have time to do. Can you continue this job? Yes. Basis on the kind of work you offer, you can continue to work full time as a freelancer. Start tutorial online. Students are constantly learning new things, so one easy way to earn money online is to share some of this knowledge where you want to tutorial school. Find data entry job. Another option for students looking to earn money online without investment is data entry job since it affects feasibly. This can be a good option for part-time work. All you need to do is register at a trusted website like Freelancer, Data Plus, Ellen Data Entry, Guru, and Fiverr. Beta testing apps and website. Since almost easy student has accept smartphone and to do this. What are requirement? You don't need any special knowledge, but basis on the product you are testing, you might need to have on up to data Android. Frequently asked option. How can part-time job help student? Can part-time job affect student? Where to look for student job for student?